Hello, my name is Owusu. I'm the West Africa Project Manager for the Mandela Washington Fellowship. Now, this fellowship was started by IREX as part of President Barack Obama's initiative for young Africans across 49 countries in Africa. Now, I'm currently managing 21 countries, including West and Central African countries, for the project. And I'm a WACSI staff seconded to the project. And my role basically is to ensure that we engage with fellows for the follow-on African aspects of the intervention, which is basically professional practicums, creating mentoring opportunity, and also creating the platform for fellows to showcase their achievements and what they've done in their various communities. "2018 has been very remarkable. WACSI has made a number of inroads and progress in terms of partnership development with very big institutions like African Development Bank and other organizations within the public sector consulting industry. Particularly with the African Development Bank, what we've been able to do this year is to enter some sort of partnership with the bank to look at how civil society can really engage the bank to implement developmental projects within communities across Africa. And we are using this project as an opportunity to engage the youth, the Mandela Washington Fellows to be precise, so that we use them as ambassadors in their various countries to really champion this developmental project that we want to roll out. Then again, we have capacity development support to the regional advisory board members across 10 countries. Now, the regional advisory board members are a group of young professionals who serve as a bridge between the fellows community and, of course, IREX and USAID. So our mandate or our job is to ensure that we give these regional advisory board members board governance training that will help them execute their mandate properly. So we look at things like communication, how they can communicate impact, and how to better engage their fellow constituents, and how to also represent the various partners during their tenure. In 2019, already from the last part of 2018 looks promising. We can say for a fact that we've started a number of new partnerships that has been very good so far, and we hope that in 2019 we begin to expand and enhance these partnerships, particularly with the private sector and also the public sector institutions and agencies in the 21 countries in West and Central Africa. So what we've done so far with the private sector institutions is to look at how we can send some of our fellows to their workplaces to engage and also support the work that these private institutions are doing within their various communities. And we've also tried to connect these fellows with professionals who are serving as mentors to give direction, guidance, professional development to these young Mandela Washington Fellows, so that they'll be able to learn and receive some level of coaching in their various fields. What we've also been able to do is to make sure that we support the IREX team with logistical support, so that fellows can be able to travel to events and conferences to talk about the amazing work that they are doing in their communities, and also showcase the impact of the Mandela Washington Fellowship. Okay, in terms of value add, I think the Mandela Washington Fellowship field team has done some terrific work, in the sense that we've been able to connect the fellows to WACSI, and WACSI has become a brand in the region, and a lot of the fellows are able to relate to WACSI as the go-to capacity development institute within the region. And that has been as a result of the outreach and dissemination effort of the field team within West Africa. Also, the other value add that easily comes to mind is the fact that WACSI shares some job and vacancy opportunities, scholarships, and also internship with some of these fellows who want to hone their skills in very specific sectors. For instance, M&E, and resource mobilization, communication, policy advocacy, and engagement. So the fellows have come to know that WACSI really is committed to supporting them, for them to grow from one level to another. And I think this year WACSI has done a very terrific job in that sense.